Hey, Dr. Fisher here. This is another one of my weekly chiropractic tips. Now this one gets into an area of what we've all been faced with as chiropractors, where you'll hear a patient or somebody else say something negative or derogatory towards chiropractic, especially in the area of maybe how dangerous chiropractic is. And you might have a patient that comes in that's terrified of getting their neck adjusted or their bones popped or cracked, whatever terminology, incorrect terminology they choose to say. But I have, I think, the most bulletproof explanation of how safe chiropractic truly is. Now, we all know insurance companies, out of the goodness of their heart, they would never pay us too much or never not charge us enough for anything, right? No offense to insurance companies, but we all know a big part of their business is making money, all right? And they are typically the last ones to pay, and they're the first ones to hold back any payment. So I have this example for you, and you could do this the same in your office. Now, I have a copy here of my malpractice insurance. I have 1 million, 3 million limits of liability. And my malpractice insurance cost me $1,272 a year. And that is with my $424 claims-free discount. I've been practicing 30 years. I see over 300 patient visits a week. And this is what I'm paying for my malpractice insurance. Now, watch this. This is my car insurance. State Farm, no offense against State Farm, great insurance company. My car insurance is $1,593.86 a year. So I pay more for my car insurance than I do for my malpractice insurance in my practice. And at the same time, when you look at my liability limits on my car insurance, I only have $250,000, $500,000 coverage, which is a lower coverage. On my malpractice insurance, I have 1 million, 3 million. So if chiropractic was so dangerous, so unsafe, so bad, where so many people were getting hurt, especially in a clinic like mine, where I'm seeing over 300 people a week, wouldn't you think that my malpractice insurance would be super, super high? It's not. So what does that tell you? It tells you that chiropractic is way safer than these stories that you hear out there, okay? So next time, if you ever hear anybody say that to you or around you, make sure you tell them how much you're paying for your malpractice insurance versus your car insurance. And by the way, I'm in California. Our car insurance in California is really expensive.